How long has it been since you did an oil change and got ready to start the engine back up, hit the switch, and had to listen to the valve train clatter for a few seconds until that oil pressure got back up? Kind of nerve-wracking, isn't it? Having to wonder how much damage you're doing to the engine with no oil pressure as you're running it at idle. Well, here's a simple and fairly inexpensive fix to eliminate that problem. The engine will crank just fine. It's just that it won't start because the fuel pump is turned off and the fuel injection is turned off. This particular video is aimed at the 94-95 Mustang, but I'm pretty sure if you'll check on most modern vehicles, you're going to find an interlock relay such as this one is that will allow you to do the same thing to that vehicle. Ford calls this main interlock relay the constant control relay module. It's pretty much there to turn all the main accessories to the engine back off whenever the engine is not running. Now, the first relay in the module is the primary interlock relay. It controls all the other successive relays in the module. So if I get this one, I pretty well got everything else that's controlled by this main relay module. Since I'm breaking the relay coil itself, the current is very low, probably less than 1/4 of an amp. These little relays are widely available on eBay. You can buy in quantities of 5 for less than $2.50 each, and single quantities from $5 to $7. You can buy the relay with or without the pigtail. Now going back to the schematic, we can see the power that's supplying this constant control relay module is supplied from inside the vehicle. This is the fuse panel, of course, at the driver's left knee. That means, of course, you can install this relay in the passenger compartment and never even enter the engine compartment. Now, if you still want to install the relay outside of the engine compartment, the actual wiring bundle is located in this bundle here underneath the air filter. And you can, of course, put the relay inside the fender for the passenger side. You'll still have to decide how to get a wire up front into the relay area on the passenger side fender. Now, just for reference, where is this constant control relay module? It's actually located in the engine compartment just behind the surge tank, right there beside the alternator. And as I'm showing here, here's what the connector looks like once you take the connector off. Once you decide where you're going to put the relay, the wiring is pretty straightforward. In my case, I decided I would tie it also back into my alarm system and leave it so I could have a separate standalone unit for oil changes. This way I crank the engine, fill up the oil filter, and then release the relay, and the car starts normally. That wraps this one up. Y'all take care. I'll see you on the next video.